Want to learn how to disconnect your Facebook page from your Instagram account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. Tap on Instagram below people and other pages. Tap on disconnect on the bottom. Tap on disconnect account if you want to disconnect these two accounts. You can see that it's been processed, and yes, you have successfully disconnected both of the accounts, that is your Facebook page to an Instagram account. Tap on done on the bottom and then go back to your home screen. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.